Hi, Matt Murphy here from Zorbit's Math Adventure with a home learning tip. I want to show you how to use the assignments tool to support parents and families in covering some of the content that they'd be covering in your class if the schools were in fact open. A lot of parents and families are feeling the stress and pressure to continue homeschooling, so we want to help you send home resources that's going to help alleviate some of that pressure. So let me show you how to use that assignments tool to do it. So I'm on my teacher dashboard, dashboard.zorbitsmath.com. When I go into my assignments area, there's a button there that'll allow me to create a new assignment. So we're going to start by giving it a name. This is the name that the students are going to see when they go into the game. So I want to be a bit descriptive as to what we're going to be covering here. Let's do counting by fives. This is a grade 1 concept, and it's on the counting planet of New Beeland. Next, I want to add some content. This is where I get to decide what topics I'm going to include in this assignment. So when I come down to counting forwards, we're going to count by fives, and we're going to also add some activities that get them counting backwards by fives. I'm going to add 4 of the counting forwards, but just 2 of the counting backwards. When we hit next, I get to decide who I'm going to assign this with. I can already see that there's a few students who are doing quite well with this concept based on their own open exploration of these games on the planet of New Beeland. But I'm going to send this to everybody for now. Then finally, I'm going to make this an assignment that's only available for next week. Now I can create a custom time frame, but I'm going to be making a new one every week, and I want my students revisiting the game from week to week so that they're keeping those math skills sharp. So I'm only going to keep this one available for next week. We're going to start on Monday and end on Friday. And that's it. Then we're done. So we can see it showing up here on my planned assignments. It's not quite ready to go. In another video, I'm going to show you how to use the data that rolls in. But for now, I just want to show you what it looks like in the game. Over here in the game, I can see that there's 2 ways that I can get to that assignment or to that adventure. I can navigate to the surface of the planet manually by going through the normal navigation, going to the galaxy, and then finding the planet. But I can get there a lot quicker if I use my backpack. So over here in this adventures, this call to adventure, literal call to adventure, I can see that one is waiting for me. When I click go, should be a small load. We're going to blast the asteroids and have tons of fun doing it while we're waiting. Oh, I missed them. Too slow. But we're going to land on the surface of New Beeland, which is where that adventure was designed for, that assignment. And Sergeant Scrambler is here waiting for me. He's got that mission ready to go, and I can see that those 6 activities that I had there before are now ready and waiting for me. So that's it. From your teacher dashboard, you can create assignments that show up in the game as custom missions for the kids. It's a great way to keep your curriculum plan on the rails to support parents and giving them the ability to say yes guilt-free to screen time at least once or twice a week, and it helps them stay focused on concepts that they'd be covering in your class if the classes were in fact open. So we'll see you again real soon with another home learning tip. Thanks for watching.